Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you update your Google phone number in your Google account. You need to open any browser. Here search Gmail and the first link that pops up, click on it. Here on the top right corner you can see your profile icon, click on it and here go to manage your Google account. And here in the left section you can see security option there, click on it. And here scroll down until you see recovery phone, click on it. And here enter the password of your email to proceed. After that you can see your phone number and the right side of it you can see the pencil option here, click on the pencil option and here enter the new number you want to add and then you want to go on next and then a recovery code will be sent on your email or Gmail. You can go and type that here and successfully your Gmail number will be changed. This was all about the video. If you liked it, thanks, have a nice day. Yeah.